quick summary of the day. At first, we went to the college on train. Then, when we arrived, we were received by the teacher who took us to a classroom where he explained to us about the college and assigned us a person that was a student that will guide us around the day. Afterwards, this person, the student, made me like a kind of tour around the college, and then after we see all the college, we went to classes, like the classes they had. Each class was different and had different people in it. In between the classes, we had recess when we were surrounded by people and everybody asked us questions, and then we had lunch when we talked to the students of there, and we ate. At the end of the day, we had like a type of presentation about Costa Rica and like the final words of the principal, and we had a chance to talk and make questions to the students of London, and they to make us questions about Costa Rica. At some point of the day, we interviewed some students from the college, and they told us three phrases that are commonly used in London. The phrases are "in it," "what one," and "clock it." We actually don't have any idea what of any of those mean, but it's cool. And the three phrases of Costa Rica that we told them was "pura vida," "chante," and "mae." And they "pura vida," they have heard it and like kind of know what they meant. They think it meant like thank you or something, but the other ones they had no idea and didn't know. We had to make a trivia to the students of London about Costa Rica, and these were the questions we asked them. Where is it located? At first they answered that in South America, but then they changed and said that Central America. How big is the country? They did say that was a like medium country or kind of small, and they said that it was a little bit bigger than the UK. Which is the capital of Costa Rica? They didn't know this one at all, so incorrect. And something famous about Costa Rica, and they say that the beaches. Five things we learned from this day. The first thing I learned is that the classes in here are like separate for each topic. So for example, science and math are given in different classrooms and with different classmates. The second thing I learned was that in the UK, the ninth grade is called year 10. The third thing I learned is that in the UK some years ago there was a terrible flood that made a lot of damage to the country. Fourth thing I learned is that the people in the UK are very different from Costa Rica, and they don't look the same age as us and have different characteristics. The fifth thing I learned is that not everyone has lunch at the same time, so it depends on the year you are, when you take lunch. It is very cool to see how is education different in different countries, and also to interact with people the same age as us, but that have lived in another country, to see how is their culture and to see how is their life.